Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. So today's guide video is based on how to send videos from gallery as a streaks on Snapchat application. Now make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instructions correctly. Now first thing first, make sure that you're well connected with the internet service, only then you'll be able to follow the step. And also make sure that you have updated your Snapchat application to the latest version, only then the feature will be available on your device. Now without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, open the Snapchat application. Now on the home page, what you have to do is just simply tap on the smiley icon or the filter icon, which is on the lower right corner. Now as you tap on the filter icon on the next page, what you have to do is just simply tap on the explore button, which is on the lower right corner, right in the bottom. Now on the other page, you will land inside the info of the filters. So from here, right on top there you can see a search bar, so you need to enter the name of a filter. Now as you can see right on top, as I have entered the name of filter, and down there you can see a list of different options. So from here you have to tap on video uploader. So on the next page, what you have to do is you simply have to select the video, and once you're done selecting the video, what you have to do is just simply tap on the circle icon, which is right in the bottom. Just long press on it. Now the final step, that is, all you have to do is tap on send to button, which is right in the bottom. Now on the next page, all you have to do is just simply select whether you want to share it on your story or whether you want to share it with your friends. Now once you're done decided whether you want to share it with your friends or story, all you have to do is tap on the arrow icon, which is right in the bottom. So now that is how you can send videos from gallery as a streaks on Snapchat application. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.